Hello my friends and welcome to this new hands-on tutorial on Amazon SageMaker AI. Now, by the time I made this new tutorial, well, AWS changed the name from Amazon SageMaker to Amazon SageMaker AI, so that's interesting. And so now, of course, we're going to do the cleanup because we're done with all the SageMaker tutorials. So here we go. Please make sure to do it with me in case you created that SageMaker domain. It's extremely important, otherwise it can get very expensive. So first, remember that we built this classification model in SageMaker Canvas. So that's the first thing we're going to do here. We're going to delete that model we made, okay? So you go to My Models here, and then you click the three little dots here, and then you click Delete, and click Delete again. All right, and cleanup done in Canvas. There is nothing else we have to do. We could also delete the classification data we imported, but actually that's not necessary. It will be deleted automatically. But I still did it to do a very clean cleanup, okay? So we can close SageMaker Canvas now, and now back into the Amazon SageMaker AI service of AWS, which contains our domain. Well, there we go. Speaking of which, let's go to our domains because that's exactly what we have to delete. That's the most important. But we can't delete it directly now. What we have to do is first enter the domain. Then we go to user profile. We click default here. We scroll down to spaces and apps, there you go, and that's exactly what we need to delete first before deleting the user profile. So we click delete, yes, delete app, delete, and delete. Okay, default is being deleted, and in a few seconds, we will be able to delete our user profile. All right, so I've been waiting for 2 minutes now, and I'm still getting this. Default is being deleted. Sometimes you have to refresh to see if it is well deleted. As we can see, it seems to still be here. So I can try to refresh and see what happens. All right, refreshing. And let's see if the app is still here. Deleted, perfect. Okay, so that's what you should get before moving on to the next step of the cleanup. You should get this, your Canvas app successfully deleted. So now we can move on to the next step, which is to delete the user profile. Right now we are in the user profile, and so to delete it, well, we simply need to click delete here. Yes, delete user, delete, and then delete. So that deletes the user profile and done. It was much faster, great. And now finally, we can delete the domain. And so to delete it, it's super simple. You just need to scroll down a bit close to the bottom where you will find, there you go, delete domain. So you just click the delete domain button here, then you click yes, delete my domain, you enter delete here, and you click delete. Okay, your domain is pending deletion, and this may take a few minutes, but maybe if I refresh, we will see it completely gone. Let's try. So refreshing, and gone. There you go. You see, make sure that you have the same thing here, no domains, and you'll be good to go to carry on with the rest of the course.